Hi guys. So today's topic is string builder class. So I would suggest you before jumping on string builder class, you must be having proper knowledge on string and string buffer. So once you have a proper knowledge on string and string buffer, then only you can understand the string builder class, right? So what is string builder class? String builder class is used to create a mutable object, means modifiable. There you can modify the string, right? So it is just like a string buffer. The only difference is string buffer is synchronized, but string builder is not synchronized. So what is the meaning of synchronized? You might be not aware, but if you have purchased any new cell phone, then you must be aware, right? So synchronized meaning take a backup, right? What we do when we buy a new phone, right? So we usually synchronized our data with our Gmail ID, right? So that when we log in on our new cell phone, then we can get our data in new cell phone, right? So you can say take a backup, take a data backup, right? So that is the meaning of synchronization, right? So this is the only difference in between string buffer and string builder, right? Both are the same method, both methods are same in both the classes, right? Same method you will be able to see in string buffer and string builder both, right? So the only difference is string buffer is synchronized, but string builder is not synchronized, right? So, and this string builder is introduced in JDK 1.5 version, right? So I will write here so that you can easily understand. So first point is string builder class. It is a class, right? String builder class is used to create a mutable string, right? Mutable means modifiable. Mutable string, right? There you can directly modify your string object, right? Second point, string builder class is same as string buffer class. Third point, string builder string builder class is not synchronized, right? It means it is not a thread safe. So both are the same. And the last point is it is introduced in Java JDK version 1.5. So if interviewer will ask you what is the string builder class, then you can explain these 4 points. Let me show you the methods as well. I will create an object for both the classes, string buffer and string builder both, right? So first I will create an object for string buffer. String buffer sv is equal to new string buffer. Again, let me create one more object with the help of string builder. String builder sb1 is equal to new string builder. See, so first we can see the methods of string buffer class. So see, you are able to see the methods, right? This append, right? After append, you will able to see this capacity method, right? Caret, chars, right? Code point at, compare to, delete, right? Equals, right? Index of, insert. So these are the methods, empty methods, like last index of, length, notify all. So these are the methods which are available in string buffer class. So let me show you in string builder class as well. See, same methods are available inside the string builder class as well. See, append, we have a append, right? Same method, capacity, right? Caret, cats. So same method you will be able to see inside this string builder class as well. So everything is same in both the classes. All the methods are same. The only thing is this string buffer methods is created by using synchronized. Let me show you. So see, this is a string buffer class which is written by the Java, right? But if you see the methods, right? Let me show you. See, if you see the methods, see it is a compare to method, but this method is created with the help of this synchronized. Synchronized means it is taking a backup, right? See, all the methods are created with the help of this synchronized. Means whatever the methods are written in a string buffer class, those are synchronized. See, everywhere synchronized, 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 synchronized. So all the methods are synchronized. Whatever the methods have been written under this string buffer class. Now we can see the string builder class as well. String builder. But in the string builder, they have not used any synchronized, right? See, these are the methods, right? Append. But you cannot see the synchronized, right? It means it is non-synchronized. It will not take a backup, right? So this is the only difference in between string buffer and string builder class. Both are the same. So why it has been introduced this string builder class? Because see, everything is same, right? All methods are same in both the classes, right? So the only thing is, I told you that synchronized, right? It is synchronized, so it was taking a backup all the data or whatever the string we were creating, right? So it was taking a longer time to take a backup, right? So performance was very low, right? So that's why Java has introduced this string builder class in JDK 1.5 version, right? So that we can make performance faster than string builder class. So this string builder class is introduced to make a performance faster than string buffer class, right? So this is the only difference. If you want, I can write as well. So here only I can write. So it is a most important interview question. In interview, mostly they ask what is the difference between string buffer and string builder. And they ask if both the methods in both the classes, if methods are same, then why we have a string builder, right? So I will write here difference between string buffer and string builder. So first point is string buffer. String buffer is synchronized. That is, you can say that is thread safe. First, I will write string, else I can do one thing. I'll open Paint. String buffer, string builder, and here we can see the difference. I already have written, so I don't waste my time. I will just copy and paste here. So this is a first point, right? So string buffer is synchronized. That means thread safe, right? That means, or you can say that is thread safe. And just opposite string builder. First point is string builder is not thread safe. That is not thread safe. It is not synchronized, that is not thread safe. Now second point, string buffer is less efficient than a string builder. String buffer is less efficient than string builder. Why we are saying it is less efficient? Means it will take more time that, so that's why our performance will be low, right? So if our performance will be low, then it will take more and more time. So what we usually use this string builder, right? So that our performance will be faster than string buffer, right? So here we can say it is more efficient. More efficient. Now third point is, I told you, third point is it is introduced in Java JDK 1.0 version. But this string builder is introduced, it is introduced in Java JDK 1.5 version, right? So this is the main difference in between both. So it is synchronized, string buffer is synchronized, string builder is not synchronized, right? So if it is a synchronized, then it is less efficient than string builder, means it will take more time to take a backup, then our performance will be low. So that's why we are saying it is less efficient than string builder. And string builder performance will be high, so that's why we are saying it is more efficient. And this third point is string buffer is introduced in JDK 1.0 version, but string builder is introduced in JDK 1.5 version. So why it is introduced? It is introduced to make a performance faster than string buffer class, right? So this is the main difference in between both the classes, string buffer class and string builder class. So it is a very important interview question. Mostly they ask what is the difference between both. And if you want to know what is the difference between all three classes, string buffer and string builder, then I have created one more this difference in between all three. So as you know, I already have covered this string and string buffer. Now we have seen this string builder as well. So now we can see the difference between in all three classes. So as you know, string object, when you create a string, right? String object you can create with the help of new keyword and string literal, right? So both the object, when you create an object, right? Then where it stores, so string stores under heap area and string constant area. This is the first difference, right? First difference is storage will be in heap area and string constant pool area, right? But string buffer, it stores the object under heap area only. And same for string builder. String builder also stores object under heap area only, right? And string, as I already told you in the first class, string is an immutable object, right? It creates an object that is immutable. There you cannot modify. You cannot modify the string, right? If you want to modify, then it will create one another object under string constant pool area. So that's why we are saying it is an immutable, right? So objects are immutable under string class, but in string buffer objects are mutable, and same for string builder, objects are mutable. Mutable means there you can modify the string directly, right? In string buffer and string builder both, right? Memory. So in the string, right, since it is a immutable, right, it creates an object immutable, right? So whenever you are changing the string, right, so it will create every time whenever you are going to change the string, then every time it will create new object under string constant pool area. Then it means it takes more and more memory, right? So it means it will take more memory. If you are changing a string multiple times, then it takes more memory. But in string buffer, since it is mutable, so you don't need to create it will not create object again and again. It will just modify that string, existing string. So that's why we are saying it consumes less memory, and same for this string builder as well. But string, the last point is second last point is string is non-synchronized, means it doesn't take a backup. And this string buffer is a synchronized, means it is a thread safe. And if it is a synchronized and thread safe, then that means it is going to take a backup, right? So if it is going to take a backup, then performance again it will be low, right? So that's why we are saying performance is low, because it is taking a backup. It is a synchronized, right? But string builder is not synchronized. It means performance will be faster than this string buffer class. So that's why we are saying performance is faster, and it is not synchronized. Same for this string. String, it is not synchronized, but still performance will be slow. Why performance will be slow? Because it is like whenever you will change the string, right, it will create again and again object under this string constant pool area, so it will take time. So that's why we are saying it is performance will be slow, right? So far we have seen difference between all three classes: string buffer and string builder class, right? So all three are classes, and we already have seen the methods. All the almost, I think, almost methods we have seen in string class. Whatever the important methods were there, we have seen. And string buffer class as well we have seen. So whatever the methods we have seen under the string buffer class, same methods will be used in under string builder class, right? Everything is same, all methods are same. The only difference is synchronized and non-synchronized. So today we have completed the string buffer and string builder, right? So in the next session we will start exception. So if anybody has any doubt, then can ask me in the comment, right? I will try to explain you. Thank you guys.